Hello everyone, myself Krishna. In this video, I am going to explain how we can extract PDF invoice details using the ChatGPT in UiPath. Basically, to extract PDF invoice details in UiPath, we would use the PDF activities. After reading the PDF by using the read PDF text or read PDF with OCR text, we would apply the string functionalities or use the regular expressions to extract the specific field information. If the PDF file is complex, then we would use the document understanding. Let's see how we can extract the PDF invoice details by using the ChatGPT in UiPath. So let's get started. Let me go to the UiPath Studio. For the demonstration purpose, I have taken one invoice. So this is my invoice. Let's see how we can extract the information from this invoice. So here I have built the logic. I have taken read PDF text activity to extract the information from the PDF file. The output of the activity would be in the string format. So I have stored the output in the str underscore PDF text. I have taken input dialog box to provide the input prompt. I have taken multiple assign activity to provide the required key and value details. In the prompt, I have mentioned the prompt as input dialog box text and then from the following text, and then I have mentioned the PDF text. Then I have taken HTTP request to configure the ChatGPT. So this is all the configuration details. The output of the HTTP request in the string format, and the string it is in the JSON format. To convert the JSON string to JSON object, then I have taken the deserialize JSON activity. I have taken deserialize JSON array activity to convert the string format of JSON array into the JSON array object. Finally, I have taken message box to display the output. So let me run the process and see how we can extract the details from the invoice. So I want to extract invoice number. So for that I'm going to mention the prompt as display invoice number. So the invoice number is correct. Let's see how we can extract invoice date. Display invoice date 12/7/2023. So let's see how we can extract vendor name. Display vendor name. So the vendor name extracted properly, and let's see how we can extract invoice total. Display invoice total 1565. Let's see tax. Display tax amount 55. Display bank details. So the bank details, bank name, Bank of America, and the bank account number. So let's see how we can extract the individual details. Let's see bank account number. Display bank account number. Yes, it is extracted, and the bank name. So let's see how we can extract ordered product details. For that I'm going to mention the prompt as display ordered details product comma quantity comma price comma total in the CSV format. So the product details has been extracted properly. So let's see how we can extract single product details. For that I'm going to mention the prompt as product quantity. So 2 and see another example. Display only total for mix product. So 390. I have created separate workflow. Basically, in this flow, I'm extracting the all the PDF invoice details and I'm creating the separate Excel file with the PDF information. So let me explain the logic that I have applied. Here I have taken build a data table activity to create the data table structure. So here I am going to extract invoice number, invoice date, total, tax, bank name and bank account number. Read PDF activity to extract the information from the PDF file. So here I have taken retrace scope and inside the retrace scope I have applied the logic to extract the information by using the ChatGPT. So here I have taken the multiple assign activity and here in the prompt I have mentioned the prompt to extract the invoice number, display invoice number from the following text and then I have mentioned the PDF text. I have taken HTTP request for the ChatGPT configuration and I have taken DC relay JSON activity and then DC relay JSON array activity. Finally, I am assigning the output in the variable and I am logging that output. To extract invoice date, I have mentioned the prompt as a display date from the following text and then I mention the PDF text. For the invoice total, I have mentioned invoice total from the following text. For the vendor name, I have mentioned display vendor name from the following text. For the bank name, I have mentioned display bank name from the following text. And for the bank account, I have mentioned display bank account number from the following text. For the tax amount, I have mentioned the prompt as display tax amount from the following text. For the line items, so I have mentioned the prompt as display only products, quantity, price, total from the following text. So finally, I have taken add data row to add the all the individual invoice details to the data table. So when you extract the details by using the ChatGPT, along with the output, sometimes we may have context in the output. So here I am checking the column. If the column is available, so I am splitting that output and then I am taking the output at the first index. If the colon is not available, that means we have only the output is available. So I am taking the as it is. The same logic I have applied for the all the fields. I have taken write range workbook activity to create the Excel sheet by using the data table. So here the file name would be PDF data.xlsx and the sheet name would be invoice details and the data table would be the DT. So as we are getting the line items in the CSV format, I am converting that text into the data table by using the generate data table from the text and the text input text would be str ordered details and here is the configuration details. First row we are considering as a headers and then I am using the format as a CSV. Each field is separated with a space. Then I'm with the line items, I'm creating the separate sheet in the same Excel file. So I'm mentioning the sheet name as line items, and the data table would be dt underscore line items. Let me run the process and see how we will get the details in the Excel sheet. The process execution has been completed. Let's review the output. So let's go to the output panel, and these are all the details are extracted: invoice number, date, total, vendor name, bank name, tax amount, product details, right? So let's refresh, and let me open this Excel file. So these are the details are extracted, and the line item details. So these are all the details. Invoice number. Hope this video is informative. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.